you some automotive multi-vehicle for GM and Chrysler vehicles. Why? Because I don't really have any other grease. So if I'm wrong, then I'm wrong. But this is what I'm going to use. Just came out of chain reaction cycles. We got the good old bottom bracket installed. Alright, just a little disclaimer here. I was too impatient to film everything, so I actually built up the bike, unfortunately off camera, so you won't be able to see the rest of the build. However, I did build it up, handle wrap. The wheels are the Superteam wheels that I had on my former bike. The ball and cages I've added, the seat post I've also installed, and the crankset, Shimano 105 65mm crankset. Added the chain, did the cabling and everything. That's all off camera, unfortunately, so you won't be able to see that. However, I'll be coming out with another video where I provide some of my tips when building the bike, especially because I've hit a bit of hurdles in terms of building the bike, assembling the bike, because there were a little issues here and there. Look out for the next video where I provide the pros and cons of this Trifox X16. There you have it. Enjoy the build. Please like, comment, subscribe for more videos.